Imagine this. You walk into a bookstore and there are thousands of books screaming at you. Read me. I'll make you rich. I'll change your life. But here's the problem. 95% of them, fluff, empty calories, like eating a whole bag of chips and still feeling hungry. Well, I've done the hard work for you. I've read over 600 business books, some life-changing, some, well, let's just say they make great doorstops. Today, I'm giving you the gold, the 10 books that actually made me wealthy. And no, Rich Dad, Poor Dad isn't one of them. Sorry, Robert. 1. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Money isn't about math. It's about behavior. You ever wonder why lottery winners go broke or why some people earn millions and still feel poor? This book explains it all. My favorite lesson? Wealth is what you don't see. That Ferrari? Probably leased. The quiet guy in sweatpants? Probably a millionaire. After reading this, I stopped judging people at Starbucks who order avocado toast. Maybe they're secretly Warren Buffett. 2. Atomic Habits by James Clear. Want to get rich? Stop focusing on goals. Yep, I said it. Goals are overrated. This book teaches you how tiny, stupidly simple habits, like saving $10 a day or reading 10 pages, compound into massive success. It's like planting a money tree and forgetting about it until boom, you're rolling in cash. Example, if you save $20 a day and invest it, in 10 years, you could have over $150,000. That's a down payment on a house or a really fancy pizza habit. 3. 100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozy. Most businesses fail because their offer sucks. This book teaches you how to make offers so irresistible, customers feel dumb saying no. Example, instead of selling a fitness program for $50, sell lose 20 pounds in 90 days or your money back. Now, that's an offer. Joke. I tried this on my cat to get him to stop scratching the couch. Refund rate 100%. 4. The Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco. Forget Get Rich Slow. This book smacks the 9-to-5 mindset out of you. The key? Build systems that make money while you sleep. Example, a laundromat makes money when you're not there. A job pays you only when you're working. See the difference? Funny truth, the only fast lane I knew before this book was Uber Eats. 5. Rich Dad's Cash Flow Quadrant by Robert Kiyosaki. Okay, fine. One Kiyosaki book. This one's a game changer. It divides earners into 4 categories: employees, self-employed, business owners, and investors. The rich, they live on the right side. The broke, left side. Your mission, move right. Real talk. If your paycheck has your name on it, you're capped. If your business has your name on it, sky's the limit. 6. The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. This book taught me how to make money without trading time for dollars. Automate, delegate, escape. My favorite hack? If it won't matter in 5 years, don't spend 5 minutes on it. Life-changing. Joke. I followed Tim's advice. Now I work 4 hours a week and spend the other 40 binge-watching Netflix. Progress. 7. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Old but gold. Your thoughts become your reality. Want proof? Every billionaire, Bezos, Musk, Oprah, first imagined their success. Your brain is a money magnet. Stop telling it you're broke. 8. The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. Small choices, X time, massive results. Example, read 10 pages a day equals 18 books a year. Save $5 a day equals $1,825 a year. Skip one Starbucks coffee? Okay, let's not get crazy. Truth bomb. You don't need a miracle. You need consistency and maybe a cheaper coffee habit. 9. 0 to 1 by Peter Thiel. Competition is for losers. This book teaches you how to build a monopoly. Legally, please. Key question. What valuable company is nobody building? That's your gold mine. 10. The Almanac of Naval Ravikant. Wealth isn't about working hard. It's about owning things. Equity, code, media. Naval's genius? Earn with your mind, not your time. This book is like a cheat code for the digital age. If you read one book on this list, make it this one. Then thank me later. There you go. 10 books that actually work. No fluff. No get rich tomorrow scams. Just proven strategies. Now, go read one. Then, take action. Because a book can't make you rich, but you can. Hit that comment section below and tell me what's on your mind. And see you next time. Rock it.